Hi everybody, Katina Hunter here with Coldwell Banker, getting ready to list this house at 510 Jefferson right here in Elwood City. A couple of really nice features that I wanted to point out for you. First of all, this living room is absolutely expansive. If you're into entertaining, or if you just have a big sectional couch, or you just want a little more space, then this may be for you. Not only that, this is a beautiful stone focal point right here in the living room. Check out the massive amounts of windows letting in so much natural light. If this home looks like it might be for you, don't hesitate to reach out, and you know that my team and I are always here and happy to help.